I did it again. I bought a lot more yarn and I wanted to show it to you, and then I'm gonna stop. This time I'm gonna stop. Slow down at least a little bit. I just went a little crazy with, we've been stuck in the house for weeks now with this social distancing, and I went a little crazy. So I went to Knit Picks this time, not physically, but virtually. And I bought, sorry about the crinkle noise. Okay, more swatching yarn, and not yarn that I could use for the Summer of Babies blanket, and yarn for the channel in general. So if you want to crochet along with me with the exact colors that I'm using, follow the link in the description below for the Knit Picks yarn. So I bought Brava worsted. Now this is really, I'm gonna have to compare this with the paint box yarn if you didn't see that video. So this is Knit Picks We Crochet, and it's 100% acrylic. It's worsted weight, lovely minty green color. It feels very similar to the paint box. I wonder how it compares. It's very similar. I don't know. I might have to do a taste test or comparison, shouldn't I? I should crochet it up. So I bought some mint, and I bought some bright, I don't know, Gatorade green. I don't know what color to call this. Easter green. It's not exactly grass green. It's kind of lime green. And I bought some yellow, bright, like egg yolk yellow. And I bought some, so these colors in general are darker than the paint box. I bought some green. Love this. Perfect for St. Patrick's Day green. Purple. Now this is a really pretty purple. This is a really pretty purple. I might really like this in the babies, Summer of Babies motif blanket. Oh, really gorgeous purple. Yeah, this is my favorite color so far out of this box. And this is color, by the way, this is color number, it's Freesia, and there's no number. It's just the color Freesia, Freesia. Love it. Very, very pretty. Couple more Freesia. I must have liked that online on my monitor too. This blue is it's gorgeous. Don't get me wrong. It is absolutely gorgeous, but it might be too dark for swatching on camera, so you may not get to see it again. But this one's called Celestial. Very pretty. Great color for real life. Maybe not the best color for camera. This is Seashell. I actually have a sweatshirt this color. Seashell, very pretty, very corally pink, very bright. These colors are really dark. Well, saturated is the word, like really vibrant color and really rich color. And these Brava worsteds from Knit Picks, and this is the Freesia one again, like that. I must have really liked that. I bought several of those. Okay, I must have been in a purple mood. Again, you can't have a color selection without a neutral, and I usually pick gray as my neutral rather than tan. I don't know why, or sometimes ecru. But I also bought several white because you know that I wanted to make a nostalgic blanket. I'm making the nostalgic blanket with the diagonals for the Summer of Babies in like that mauve-y color. But also, when you've got a baby coming, you just can't beat pure snow white for a baby. So I bought several white ones for the other baby. So one of the babies might get mauve and one of the babies might get white, but there's enough here for a whole blanket in white. So stock up. Okay, here we go. Sorry about the crinkle noises. Ooh, this is deeper than I thought. Okay, bright pink. This one is called Rouge. Brava worsted. Like I said, I bought all the same color line or all the same yarn. That way I could mix and match colors for that Summer of Babies motif poppy blanket, or stripes or motifs with different colors. I like to have multiples of the same yarn just in different colors so I can play with the color. So that's why I chose this line, because it's acrylic. Look at these great colors. There's a wide range of colors to choose from. And so I thought they'd be great for mixing and matching. Acrylic worsted is a great staple yarn in my opinion. Here's another. This is light blue. This one's called Sky. So they're great for playing with color and designing. really, if you're going to design projects, you need multiples. You really do. Like, I'm not just justifying my purchase. Like, you really need multiples of the same yarn so that you can play with the colors and see how it changes. Remember that Blossom Hexagon video I did the other day about, like, you could totally see how the motif completely changed its appearance when I flip-flopped the contrast and put the light in the dark spot and the dark in the light spot. Anyway. Persimmon, love that. Oh, I love that. So I'm not sure if I would like that with the purple, but boy, I like that, and I like this a lot. So just letting you know, just giving you a preview of what will probably show up on my channel. Anyway, so if you're designing, you really need multiples of all the different colors. You maybe only need one of each just to get the feel for it, and then buy more of it if you're going to do a full project. But when you're designing, it's really, love this. It's really good to mix and match colors to get the feel for what you want. Tide Pool. Oh, love that. Isn't that fantastic? Oh, it's a fantastic color. It's kind of this bluish mallard green color, and I bet it would look great with the persimmon. And would it look great with the gray? Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. That is a really sophisticated color scheme right there. I love it. I might have to do something with that. See, but I wouldn't really know that from picking colors off my monitor. Now, I know, I mean, these were a great value though. Let's see, are these all duplicates? Cornflower. I think this is the last one of this colors that you haven't seen yet. Cornflower. This is more of a aqua-y or turquoisey compared to the pure sky blue. Do you see the difference there? So very pretty. So it's just, I am trying to justify my purchase, but they are also a great value. There's like, how many yards here? I mean, these were 218 yards, so this is a really good value for, I mean, I don't remember exactly how much they were. They weren't super expensive. I mean, they're acrylic, they're worsted weight. It's a great staple yarn. You can use it for everything under the sun. Everything from blankets to sweaters to pillows to baby sweaters, toys. The only thing you can't use acrylic yarn for is kitchen stuff. You don't really want to put a hot pan on a hot pad or a whatever on acrylic because it will melt. It really will. It's plastic, but it's super. These are super soft, and I really am enjoying them. Let's see here. Yep, I think that's all the colors that I have. There's a couple duplicates still in the box of the ones that I really liked. Luckily, I did buy an extra one of the persimmon. So out of this haul, what did you guys think was your favorite colors? So I really, obviously, liked the persimmon and the Tide Pool. Ooh, that kind of looks good too. What do you think? With the light blue in there? Or the, it's the aqua. It's the cornflower blue. And then the gray, really gorgeous color scheme. And then another color scheme that probably looks really good. What color should I mix together for you? I do like light blue with a lot of things. I like light blue with purple. I didn't get any magenta in this one, in this haul, but I usually like magenta and light blue together. This is from the Paint Box haul. And see, it's going to be hard for me to find something to do with this one. This one's a little bit brighter for me than I would normally go for. So I might consider designing with it and just using it as an accent color or an outline, but I probably wouldn't use it as a full blanket. But if I was going to use it as a full blanket, I would really go for it. I would really go for it and do kind of a melon color scheme. And I don't know if the melon color scheme, that's what I would do. If I was going to use these, I probably would go for something like this that would be like a melon, like green honeydew, cantaloupe, lemon, and That's what I would do. Anyway, tell me what colors you gravitate towards and which ones caught your eye. If you want to crochet along with me in coming weeks, I'll leave the link in the description below for the Knit Picks Brava worsted, and you can play and look at all those different colors and stock up for yourself so that you can crochet along with me. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time.